Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for your great support always. I'm so grateful for your continued support to this channel. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Now, Kenya's High Court dismisses the GACHAGUA'S plea to block the Senate impeachment trial as they rule that he can, however, approach the court for orders once the process is concluded. So it seems like is like a narrow win for Rigathi Gachagua as a 3-bench judges delivers a news to him that they cannot interfere with the process from the Senate, yet they will give time for the process to conclude. Then after that, they will pick it at that time. In other words, Rigathi Gachagua will have another chance to rush to the courts tomorrow after the voting ended. But again, it's going to depend how these senators are going to decide. If it's going to be impeached, then the High Court is assuring Rigathi Gachagua that he can go and appeal this case. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to watch the ruling of these 3-bench judges. But before we do that, ladies and gentlemen, as we always do it, ensure you like the video. When you like the video, you automatically support the work that I'm doing in this channel, because sometimes you watch the video and you forget liking the video. So this is just a reminder. As you watch the video, ensure you like the video. Thank you so much for that like. Let us listen to this.
At the moment, we are being called upon to anticipate the outcome of a process yet to be completed. The application at this stage is premature and anticipatory. Should the petitioner not succeed, the petitioner still have an opportunity to approach the court after the process. The applications are not without a remedy. On the issue that has been raised that as soon as the Senate impeaches the DP, if at all that happens, that the DP immediately ceases holding office and he cannot reclaim office, we take the view that every office holder can only assume office legally and constitutionally. The assumption of office cannot oust the court's jurisdiction. The court has unfettered jurisdiction to check on the constitutionality of the process at whatever stage. Whether the grant or denial of the conservative order will enhance the constitutional values and objectives in the Bill of Rights, we find that exercising restraint at this stage will enhance and allow independent institutions of government to function unhindered and in their fullness, except in the clearest of cases. It is our view that this is not one such case where intervention is automatic. The issues raised by the parties will require to be interrogated. We therefore find that the enhancement of the constitutional principle of separation of powers will be best served by declining the application at this point. Whether the petition will be rendered nugatory, we find and hold that it will not. The petitions challenging the process of impeachment, the petitions are challenging the process of impeachment. The substratum of the petitions will not be lost. The court is still able to grant a remedy even after the process is conducted, even after the process is concluded, and as such, the court will not be.
Now, on the same note, as we are being told that the court could not interfere with the process because they are claiming this is now a political process. And this political process must be given a chance. And so as they are blocking, or rather they are declining to block the Senate impeachment trial, they are claiming that Rigathi Gachagua is assured of another year of listening. After a concluded impeachment trial from the Senate, regarding Gachagua, if this impeachment will not favor him, he will go to the courts. And the court will decide whatever they will decide. But again, remember, whatever court will be doing, it will not be a political process. It will not be a political process. Now, the court will be dealing with the rule of law as per the Constitution of the Republic of Kenya. Then it means that if the National Assembly and Senate Assembly never followed the due course of the rule of law, they will be told that this article, as per this article, section this and this, says you could have not done this, but you did it. You rushed, you did this and this and this and this. It was not in accordance to the law. So this impeachment trial is a political process. It started in the National Assembly. Now it is in the Senate Assembly. So when Rigathi Gachagua will not be favored, he will go to seek now the clear clarification of the rule of the law as per the Constitution of the Republic of Kenya. And that is why, when you can say this impeachment trial is happening in Senate, the Senate is trying to portray a picture of being decent. They can otherwise do an expected thing that Kenyans might be shocked. Those who are overruling that Rigathi Gachagua ameshaenda might be shocked. I'm telling you, I told you here I'm not a pro-Gachagua, but I'm telling you something that is likely to come, that the majority might not believe their two eyes and their two ears. You might be shocked. I told you here, it is just 23. Na Rigathi Gachagua amesurvive. 23 senators. Na hiyo imeisha. I'm assuring you that. 23 peke yake Rigathi Gachagua anataka in Senate Assembly. Na hiyo itakuwa deal done. Anarudi kwa ofisi. So that number si mingi kama Senate. And then again, some people are saying hiyo number ni ngumu kupata. Ni rahisi because already as we speak I know, and I will not mention. 11 senators wako nyuma ya Rigathi Gachagua. 11 senators. Majority of them coming from Mount Kenya region. Majority of them coming from Mount Kenya region. Rigathi Gachagua is already securing 11. So hii 12 yenye imebaki. Yenye niko sure Nyanza region, for example, like Kisumu, will vote against Rigathi Gachagua. Tomo Jienda. Eddie Okech of Migori, I don't know vile kichwa yake tampeleka. Ata follow the issue of party or not. But I know they might follow that. Then the senator of Homa Bay, Kajwang. You're waiting how they go. But again, Kajwang is very intelligent. I know they might not be influenced by these emotions of political seniorism, Then look at the senator of Siaya. I know he will vote against Rigathi Gachagua. Oburu Oginga will vote against Rigathi Gachagua. So Rigathi Gachagua atasanya tu hizi senators, for example, kama Western, atasanya ingine Kisii, no Onyonka will vote to support Rigathi Gachagua not to be impeached. When you look at some regions like Coastal, Ukambani, I know senators there will vote to support Rigathi Gachagua. So those who are overruling this, and I want to repeat, I'm not a pro-Gachagua, I'm not supporting Gachagua, but I'm telling you the reality, whatever is likely to come. You cannot overrule, and I'm not also overruling that this whatever is going to happen. But I'm telling you, whatever is likely is that Rigathi Gachagua might get that 23 senators. Akipata 23 imeisha. Juu pale impeachment nitakana 2/3. Na 2/3 of 67 ni 45. Na hii 45 kama 44 senators watavote. 44 wavote waseme na ukumbuke kitu ya kwanza, kuna senators hawako kwa senator assembly wako absent. So the problem ni wale wangesupport Rigathi Gachagua wakwenda absent, hiyo ndio ingekuwa normal. Lakini kama wako wote, I'm telling the truth, you will be shocked, because Rigathi Gachagua anataka 223, only 23. Ladies and gentlemen, what do you think? Drop your opinion at the comment section below. Otherwise, thank you so much because of your great support. Please consider subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing this video. Bye bye till we meet in another video.